Look, the bird nest of brown shrike. So there are 3 eggs. Those 2 eggs has been turned into a chick. So this is from the brown shrike. This is very commonly in this farm or on the mountain. So as you can see, huh? So they look hungry. Maybe their mother find their food. So this is the brown shrike nest. I am very sure because there are some of my videos brown shrike nest and birds. So